So Judah, what kind of materials are you using for this headboard that you're making?
Wood.
Wood, okay. Could you be more specific?
Okay. We are using pine wood for the bed frame.
Okay.
And then we're using the wall boards that we got at Home Depot for $30 to cover it.
Okay, $30 a box. And we got 2 boxes because we think it's going to take about 1.5 boxes. So let's put the frame together now. So obviously you can make whatever measurements you want, but what we've decided is to do the legs at 54, so 4.5 foot, because this bed comes up about 2 feet. So that leaves us 2.5 feet to the top. And then going across the top, we're going 60 inches wide. So this is a 60-inch board. This is a 57 because it's going to be inside those legs on the bottom to frame it up, and then to go across there with like framing and studs. 30 inches is what we've chose to do, so we're going to put those together. So what we decided to do next was actually to cut our boards to the length we wanted and go ahead and place them on there without nailing them, just to make sure that it measured out right and looked the way that we were hoping that it would look. And it does. So now we're going to get to nailing. So we opted for, because our boards are 48 inches and we don't want to waste anything, we're doing it's a 48 and a 12, and that's a 36 and a 24 and a 12 and a 36 and a 12. Obviously you can do whatever it is that you want, but we maxed out 2 cases of these, and the only thing that we're going to have left after it's said and done, 2 12-inch boards. So victory for us. So here we are with the finished product. We love it. Good job, Judah. Right tools, right help. You can get this job done in maybe 2 or 3 hours. One of the things that we did was kind of cased it in here with these some 2 36-inch pieces down the sides, kind of give it some dimension, and then also up top as well, and across and on the other side. So lots of fun. We're under $100 for this project, and it's solid, and it probably will last as long as he wants it to last. So good luck on your project. Hopefully use it. If you do, let us know. Subscribe to our channel. I'd love to hear from you.